Algorand value equivalent to $0.1198 a coin. The present reach: $0.1093, $0.1318. The earlier day close: $0.1272. The change was 0.0074, 5.82%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $0.11. Most extreme cost 19 cents, least cost 11 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 18 cents, change for November 63.6%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $0.18. Greatest cost 22 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 21 cents, change for December 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.21. Greatest cost 24 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 22 cents, change for January 4.8%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $0.22. Most extreme cost 26 cents, least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 24 cents, change for February 9.1%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $0.24. Most extreme cost 24 cents, least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents, change for spring 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 20 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 18 cents, change for April 10.0%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 15 cents, change for May 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.15. Most extreme cost 15 cents, least cost 12 cents. The normal for the month 14 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 13 cents, change for June 13.3%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at $0.13. Greatest cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 12 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 11 cents, change for July 15.4%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.11. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 10 cents, change for August 9.1%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 10 cents, change for September 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Initially cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 12 cents, change for October 20.0%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 12 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for November 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $0.05. Most extreme cost 6 cents, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents, change for January 20.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents, change for February 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 8 cents, change for spring 14.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 8 cents, change for April 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 8 cents, change for May 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents, change for June 12.5%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents, change for July 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. Initially cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents, change for August 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2026. Before all else cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 9 cents, change for September 12.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for October 2026. Initially cost at $0.09. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 10 cents, change for October 11.1%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2026. To start with cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 12 cents.